If you want to achieve success as an intraday trader, mastering the strategies and insights I'm about to share in this video is absolutely essential for you. We are going to look at the market structure, identification of trend, best time frame for intraday analysis, and best entry time frame you can use as an intraday trader. So stay to the end, and I believe you will learn a lot from this. The first thing you should master as an intraday trader is the market structure. It's very, very important. If you open your either MT4, MT5 or TradingView, the first thing you have to look out for is the market trending. If it is trending, is it uptrend or is it downtrend, or if the market is ranging? That is the first thing you have to point out. Then the second thing is to mark your structure. So if you look at this, this is an uptrend, this is a downtrend, and we can see here that markets ranged for a while before there was a breakout and came back to retest and started falling. So here, this is an uptrend. If you have identified that this is an uptrend, the next thing is to mark your higher high, higher lows. So this is how you will identify, okay, this is an uptrend. So you can see the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and I think we had one higher higher because it's higher than these two higher highs. Okay, so this was the last higher high we have. So this is an uptrend. Okay, first, like I said, you have to identify the structure of the market, which is your higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So with this characteristic, I will classify this as an uptrend. In this case, this is a downtrend, and you have to mark the structure as well. So we have this is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, we have lower high here, lower low, lower high, and this is the last lower low, because these have to close below this. Okay, so we have identified, okay, this is an uptrend, this is a downtrend. And also, if it's ranging, you also have to understand, when we talk about ranges, market is moving sideways. Okay, if you notice what's happened here, the market was not trending, it was not giving us higher high, higher lows and higher highs, and lower lows, lower high, and all that. So it was just giving us a sideways move, and that is how you identify that the market is ranging. So the way you approach or you trade uptrend, it will be different from the way you trade downtrend, and also the ranging markets. And as intraday trader, you have to start, your analysis should be from 4-hour time frame. You have to use 4-hour time frame for your analysis. This is very important. Then you can proceed to 2 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and all that. So you have to use 4-hour time frame to know the direction of the market. So it is very, very important. And you can't use your 4-hour time frame for your entry. Your risk to reward ratio will not be cool. So you have to make use of either 15 minutes or 5 minutes for your entry. So if you have identified this on 4-hour time frame, that is an uptrend, you know, as an intraday trader, you want to get into the market and you want to be out today. You don't want your trade to cross to the next day. You don't want that. Okay, unlike swing trading, that your trade can last for days, for weeks, and all that. But here, you want to get into the market today and you want to get out. As an intraday trader, that's what you are looking for. So if you make use of 4-hour time frame to get the direction of the market, the next thing you have to do is to move to 1-hour time frame or 2-hour time frame. So it depends. So if I'm trading this market, like I told you, okay, we can see that this was a downtrend and changed to uptrend. So you have to also have to identify if the downtrend is over. That is the first thing. Or if the uptrend is over, you have to identify that as well. So in this case, the market was downtrend and it changed to uptrend. So one thing you have to look out for here is the last lower high. Okay, you have to look for the last lower high. So in this case, this is the last lower high. If you have to mark your structure, so that is the last lower high. And if the price closed above this last lower high, it's an indication, or it's telling you that probably the market might start going up or change from downtrend to uptrend, or buyers are coming into the market. So here, look at what happened. Changed from downtrend to uptrend because this structure was broken, and you can see that it started going up. But also, if you look at this carefully, there was a structure that was broken here. If we move to 15 minutes, it will be more prominent for us to identify. So we can see that the structure was broken here. And what happened after the structure was broken, the market came back to retest it before going up. So if we change it to 15-minute time frame, you see that our entry ought to be from around this area. But if you want to be sure that, okay, this market is the trend is changing from downtrend to uptrend, you have to wait for this structure to be broken, this particular structure to be broken. And that is what happened here. It came back, retested, it came close below it and all that. But overall, the market did not come back to close below this structure. I mean, this market came back to close below this structure here. We'll say that, okay, it was a fake breakout and this downtrend will continue. But in this case, it didn't come back to break this structure. So, and after then, you can see that the market started going up. And if you miss this opportunity, or you still want to confirm that truly the market is going up, at the break of this structure, this lower high, you will not enter the market. What you do is you mark this structure, because you can see that this has closed above this, and this telling us that buyers are in the market. So if you want to be sure that truly this market is uptrend, you can skip this, then move to the second one. And what happened? This structure was also broken, and the market came back to retest it, like say 2 times. This is the first time, and this is the second time, or even the third time. 1, 2, 3. So you can enter the market from this region. And also, if you fail to enter from this, maybe when the structure was broken, you were not there and all that, you can mark another higher high. So I would pick this. So if the market break this structure, I will set my buy limit, waiting for the price to come hit this before going up. And if you miss this also, you can continue using the same technique to enter the market. So this is very, very, very important. So in this case, if this is the first structure or the lower high that was taken out, the next thing I will do is to move to 15 minutes time frame. So we have to identify that area. So I'm coming. Okay, so this is the area that structure was broken. So look at that particular structure that was broken. So we can see, like I told, this is the first area I told you guys that if we were to take this trade, we'll start from here. Because we can see that this structure was broken, and what happened, market came back to test it, and before it started going up. So this could have been my own personal entry, but some guys would like to wait for the market to close above the structure before they enter. Mind you, we marked our structure we started our analysis from 4-hour time frame. I moved to 1-hour time frame, and currently I'm on 15-minute time frame. So this is the area we marked on 1-hour time frame. You can see after the structure was broken, if you wanted to take this trade, at least you could have even make some good money, even trading just this breakout here. So you can see where this breakout happens. So it was around here. So if we move to 15-minute time frame, we'll get the entry. So let your stop loss be somewhere here, and you can see if maybe you extend it here, you can see that the risk to reward ratio is almost 1 to 2, which is not bad, but that is not what we are looking for. We want the market to come back to retest this structure, and it happened several times. And if you are to pick this guy here, the break of structure here for your entry, you should know that your stop loss will be below the last lower this structure here. So your stop loss will be below here, and if you want to, your target should be on 4-hour time frame. So in this case, I'll look for the last support level here, because it might be a resistance or the last supply But let me pick the last support level that was broken. So I will draw this guy, our target to this region. So you can see the risk to reward ratio is 2 to 4, but you can still increase, like the technique I told you guys. After a breaking of structure, you can use that advantage to enter, targets, have another stop loss target, take profit target, and have another stop loss. So you can continue to do that. Okay, let me go back to the 15-minute time frame. So this is very, very important as intraday, because you want to be in this market to get into the market today, and also you want to get out within the same day. So your profit target should not be much. Okay, your profit target should not be much, because you want to get out today. I'm trying to locate okay, or let me use the downtrend here. So we can see in this, let's go back to 4-hour time frame. So what we looked at was an uptrend. Here we can see that the market ranged for a while, give us a sideways movement before started going bearish. So like I told you guys, this is 4-hour time frame. If you are to enter from 4-hour time frame, you have to identify the last structure that was broken. In this case, I will take this structure on 4-hour time frame, but you can't use 4-hour time frame from your entry. But you can see that after breaking this structure, what happened, it came to retest it before started going up. So what we'll do, like I told you guys, you move to 1-hour time frame. This is downtrend, so this case now is a downtrend case. This is not an uptrend. So this is the ranging market, and we have to look at it from it. So if you look at this market, this was the highest structure, the highest price level. So I will take this guy here as the last structure that I have to look at. Okay, so we can see that it gave us this almost higher high here. Okay, so I will take note of this guy. And what happened, the market broke this structure, okay, and still went back here, but started falling. In this case, if we move to 15-minute time frame, we will see the best. Like I told you guys, you have your entry, you should make use of lower time frame. It's very, very important. Yeah, so this is our 15-minute time frame, and if we are to enter this market, it should be here, because look at this structure was broken. What happened, the market came back several times to test it, and your stop loss should be somewhere above this. Okay, you can see from there the market fell heavily. You can use that, or if we go back, we can go back into the area, the ranging market we marked earlier. So like here, this is the highest price we have around this area, so I will mark this. Look at, immediately the market break this structure. What happened, it came back towards that region. So what you do, your entry will be around this area, but your stop loss should be somewhere above this. But if you are not convinced with that, you want to wait and see for the market to break completely out of this box or the area we marked, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. You can see that after breaking the structure, it came back to retest and started falling, and your stop loss will be somewhere here. So as intraday trader, your target should not be much, okay, so that you can get in that day, and also you should be able to close your trade. So that's very, very important, guys. If you find this insightful, you can give us a like button, you can share, and you can subscribe. Thank you, and have a lovely day.